Well, hi again, and welcome back to my Iconic Faces series. Before we start, remember, if you want to know what's coming up next, ring that bell and subscribe. That would be great, thank you. Now, the iconic face we're going to do today is Mr. Spock from Star Trek. Now, I'm going to start off by sketching the shape of the head, and it's a kind of long, kind of oval shape like this, because it's way down like that. A long face like that, and the eyes are more or less in the centre of the head, about there, and the nose comes to about there, and a long top lip which starts about there. Okay, so let's put in the features. Now the eyes are kind of narrow with the slope away to the side like that. Okay. And of course the iconic eyebrows come from right down there to the corner of the eye and slope up, and then up the side of the forehead there. And almost like wings, see? And then the other iconic part is the hairstyle, which is kind of comb forward and cut straight across like that, and that comes down on the other side like that. And of course the ears. The pointy Vulcan ears come up about there. Okay. Now Leonard Nimoy, he played Mr. Spock, and a like a long straight nose comes down to about there, and as I said, a long top lip and kind of mouth that dips down to the centre and goes way on the other side like that. And his chin. So there you can see the rough shape. I have him looking out of the side here slightly. Like that. Excellent. And some lines, and of course, his cheekbones coming down like that. So let's ink in. I'm going to start off with the eyebrows. So reaching up around this bony part of the forehead here, come right down. We'll shade that in. Curling up there. And goes right down to the eyes, which are sloping away like that. You line underneath, and then the eye looking slightly to the side. Put a little bit of a highlight in there. Okay. And the same with that one. Looking to the side there. Put a highlight in there as well. Okay. And then a couple of little light lines down the side of the nose there. Okay, down to the nostril, which is kind of straight. And then of course the lines down the side of the mouth like that. Okay, and a wee couple of lines there, and this little dip in the middle of his mouth coming down like that. There, like that. Okay, and couple of lines at the top of his chin. Right, now the hairstyle, as I say, comes round on a curve like that, and down to, and a point just below his ear there, his ear slopes up and kind of curls back towards his head like that, and that slope there. Okay, and this side will come in about there. And the thing about the Mr. Spock's hairstyle, of course, that is coming in there, is very shiny, and you get kind of highlights going across the front. So if I did a jagged line like that, and a curve going up, like that, and then another one caught down the side there, and I'll shade that in black, leave them white. And the cheekbone coming down there comes down to his chin and comes across there. And as I said, the cheekbone, you want to put it in by a few lines close together like that. Okay, another one coming down there. Okay, and his neck is looking to the side, so it comes down a bit there with his uniform collar coming up there like that, and there'll be a deep kind of shadow under his chin there, which I'll draw in and shade in a moment. Okay, let's take a broader pen and we'll fill in his hairstyle now. Now I'll just use the flat tip to shade up to those lines that I was drawing, the highlight line, and fill in right down to that line, and then up from there. Could leave some of these white lines that are left there and suggest a bit more shine. Get it in, then up to there, and the one up around the edge. And then here, take some of those out. And down to there. Okay, and we'll add a shading under the chin here. Alright, and well, I think this part of the uniform is black too, so we'll shade that in very quickly. Like that. Excellent. So there we have Dr. Spock, no, Dr. Spock, Mr. Spock from Star Trek. Excellent. Right, I hope you enjoyed that, and you can join me in my next tutorial where we're doing another iconic face. But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.